Sugar-free soda hack. Diet sodas and low-sugar ingredients will not slush properly on their own. If you'd like to turn a diet soda or low-sugar beverage to slush, use our recommended sugar substitute ingredient, allulose, to ensure perfect slushing. Allulose is a sugar substitute found in the baking aisle at most grocery stores and online from various retailers. To slush diet and low-sugar ingredients, add 2.5 teaspoons liquid allulose and 1.5 teaspoons lemon juice per 8-ounce diet or low-sugar beverage. Then select Slush Assist. Adding lemon will help balance the flavor of your slush to ensure it is not too sweet. Use this hack when using diet soda or low-sugar substitutes. Add sugar, error message. For perfect slush, make sure your recipe has 4.5% sugar content. Add sugar will illuminate when the sugar amount in the liquid you are attempting to slush is too low. The sugar content must be no lower than 4.5% of the recipe. To fix, add 2 tablespoons simple syrup, flavored syrup, allulose syrup, honey, agave nectar, maple syrup, or grenadine per 8 ounces liquid in the vessel. Or if using granulated sugar, coconut sugar, or date sugar, dispense 8 ounces liquid into a separate container and mix to fully dissolve before returning the liquid into the vessel. Press Slush Assist again to clear the error and to continue slushing. Once the unit beeps and the ready signal appears, go ahead and dispense. Add water, error message. The Ninja SLUSHi Twist can slush cocktail recipes containing up to 20% alcohol. If your recipe exceeds 20% ABV, the liquid will not be able to freeze and the Add Water Smart Alert will illuminate. Add 3 tablespoons of water per 8 ounces of recipe in the vessel. Simply pour the water in through the Pour In location at the top of the vessel and press Slush Assist again to clear the error and continue slushing. If you are already at the max capacity amount, 48 ounces, dispense some liquid in a separate cup and save for later. Once the unit beeps and Ready signal appears, go ahead and dispense. Keep the slush going. While using Slush Assist, you can add more of the same recipe at any time and maintain the same ideal texture. Switching up your recipe? If adding new ingredients after sensing, it's likely you will need to manually adjust the texture using the temperature adjustment buttons. If alcohol was added, make the temperature colder by clicking the larger snowflake temperature control button 1 to 2 times. Wait 5 to 10 minutes to see texture change. If the finished drink is too thin, adjust temperature colder by clicking the larger snowflake temperature control button 1 to 2 times. Wait 5 to 10 minutes to see texture change. If too thick, adjust temperature warmer by clicking the smaller snowflake temperature control button 1 to 2 times. Wait 5 to 10 minutes to see texture change. Adjust the temperature controls until you've achieved your ideal texture. Once the unit beeps and Ready illuminates, go ahead and dispense. Misinstalled vessel. If the vessel is not installed correctly, the unit will give you an alert. The temperature LEDs will blink on and off. To prevent leaking and spills, ensure the vessel is empty before assembling or disassembling onto the motor base. With the bail handle up, slide the vessel onto the rail grooves over the installed auger and evaporator. Lock the vessel in place by pushing the bail handle back to seal the vessel. Press the power button to turn unit on. The LEDs around the Slush Assist and Dual SlushAssist buttons will illuminate briefly, indicating the unit is ready for use.